Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. Despite a slow start to this week, investors will have access to a wide selection of economic news as the month of May comes to a close. In contrast to the recent UK inflation results that prompted European markets to dip, it is anticipated that inflation data for the EU will continue to show declines as a result of tightening policy. Let's dive in. On Monday, the US and UK take the day to celebrate Memorial Day and a bank holiday, while it is otherwise a quiet day for economic news. Confidence in the US economy, as measured by Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index, decreased from 104 in March to 101.3 in April. Consumer attitudes, purchasing intentions, travel plans, and forecasts for inflation, stock prices, and interest rates are all included in the monthly study. When the most recent report is released on Tuesday, it's expected to show a further dip to 100 as the overall outlook turns more pessimistic. On Wednesday, preliminary French, Italian, and German inflation figures will be released. An increase in energy costs has led to an acceleration in France's annual inflation rate in April. It's anticipated that the new figure will sit at 5.7% for May from 5.9% in April. For Italy, preliminary reports are expected to show a drop from 8.2% to 7.6%, while Germany is also anticipated to show a rate cooling from 7.2% to 6.7%. Canadian GDP will also be published on Wednesday. After 5 straight quarters of growth, the Canadian economy showed no growth last quarter. For the first quarter, analysts expect a return to growth of 0.5%. Consumer price inflation in the euro area was verified to be 7% in April, up from the previous month's 30-month low of 6.9%. The rate continued to be much higher than the European Central Bank's objective of 2%. A slight dip back down to 6.5% is forecast when the new data is released on Thursday. The ISM Manufacturing PMI in the United States increased to 47.1 in April from the previous month's 46.3, which was a 3-year low. However, the most recent data to be published on Thursday may suggest manufacturing activity has contracted for a 7th straight month because of increasing borrowing prices and restrictive credit, which increased the likelihood of a recession occurring this year. Analysts expect the level to remain around 47 for May. On Friday, a range of employment data for the US is to be published. In April, the unemployment rate fell to 3.4%, matching the record low set in January and coming in lower than market forecast of 3.6%. Expectations are for a slight rise to 3.5% this month. Non-farm payrolls are also due for May. After adding 253,000 jobs in April, 165,000 jobs in March, and 248,000 jobs in February, the US economy is expected to create 180,000 new jobs this month, still well above average. If you would like to read our full outlook, please visit the analysis section on our website. That's all for this week. Happy trading!